Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In this video, we'll be doing an audio demo of Klipsch's brand new Reference Premier RP-8060FA floor standing speaker. Now before we get into the video, if you're into home theater audio and video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alright guys, well, I want to give a big thanks to Klipsch for sponsoring this series of videos on their new Reference Premier system. Now currently I have the RP-8060FA floor standing speaker set up in my living room system. Now that's a 2-channel setup with no subwoofer. It's currently connected to the Parasound HINT6 integrated amplifier that I'm currently reviewing. So it's currently receiving 160 watts per channel in 8 ohms. Now I do not have the Dolby Atmos speakers connected in my 2-channel setup. I'll be doing that in a later video when I move the speakers into my dedicated theater room. So in this video, I just wanted to give you an audio demo with 2 clips. So enough talking, let's jump into the demo. Alright guys, well there you have the audio demo of the Klipsch RP-8060FA floor standing speakers. Now so far I've really been impressed with these speakers in my 2-channel setup. The Parasound HINT6 has plenty of power to drive these speakers well beyond reference level. They sound super clean. They've got great highs, good amount of mid-range, as well as some solid bottom end. Now, they don't have quite as much bottom end as the RF7 version 3s. And in a future video, I'll be doing an audio comparison, kind of showing you side by side how those two compare. So stay tuned for that video. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing because I produce weekly videos and content on home theater, audio, and video, and you don't want to miss out. Well, guys, as always, you be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.